Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOLO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice recovery on this one. On Thursday, things were looking pretty rough. I mean, it started off great, but the problem is then things really just fell. So to see today the price all of a sudden just snap right back upwards, no, that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to continue further higher and higher. I'm just saying that, when you factor in the relative context of how things were looking on Thursday, definitely a nice recovery there. So let's map out really the main overall level. And, I've talked about this before, but, as we head into the weekend here, let's just really apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. And no pun intended here, but in order to keep it simple, stupid, let's just keep an eye on that 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it does come to gauging the health of the overall move, and what do I mean by the overall move? Well, I'm defining that. It's just, basically the bouncing around from down here in the sixes to where it is right now. So in order to gauge that health, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. So keep an eye on that from the overall support standpoint. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, the big battleground moving forward, going into next week, going to be right up here at $7.95. I suppose you could call it $8 if you wanted to, but if you go through the history of things here, you can see that this general area has really been a massive problem point, which doesn't mean it's impossible to break. But yeah, according to the story of the chart, it's looking like the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but be able to stay up above it. But all in all, any angle you look at it, nice recovery from Thursday's downwards momentum. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.